What's the meaning of climatic? Climatic. Climatic.
Climatic. Climatic. The term climatic refers to something related to the climate or weather conditions in a particular region over an extended period. The impact of climatic changes can be significant and varied, affecting different aspects of life and the environment. These changes can lead to more extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms, which can cause damage to infrastructure and natural habitats. They can also have far-reaching effects on agriculture, biodiversity, public health, and local economies, and require effective management strategies to minimize their negative impacts. Ultimately, addressing climatic changes is crucial for securing a sustainable and livable future for all.